All right, we are going to walk through the factory right now. There is a lot going on. And so right now Max is roasting. He's doing Kona, just finished 5 roasts, 30 kilos each. Let's come take a look. So this is all from a region on the Big Island called Kona. And it's been one of our older Hawaiian origins, single origins. And this is our 30 kilo roaster. The beans tend to be floral, chocolatey, a little bit nutty. Almost everybody loves it. It once won an award at the Salon du Chocolat in Paris for the best tasting chocolate, and then another year for the best tasting beans. So pretty cool, consistently good. We're winnowing. What we do, we take the 30 kilo roast after it's finished and dry, cooled off. We'll load it up there. It is getting vibrated and cracked and winnowed. Now we're going to go in. We've had a couple ball mills going. We're doing our Hawaiian rum chocolate. So it's Hawaiian cacao soaked in Hawaiian made rum, giving the rum a chocolate flavor and giving our chocolate a rum flavor. We've got one ball mill we just emptied here, another ball mill we just emptied there. It's in this conch. You can see it's in the conch, and look at that moving. So that's the shear stress device. If I close this again, that'll kick back on. You can see. Go ahead, come closer. So as this motor is kicking up, you can hear it winding up there. Now it's going pretty fast. Check that out. See we had to add a lot of butter in this to make the whole batch work, because when you soak things in alcohol, it messes with the fat structure. So after this, it's going to get transferred through this line over here. We got Lorraine over here cleaning up a chocolate mess. Goes into a vibratory sieve there, enters the tank, and it's getting piped through the wall. We're working on some electrical right now so we can get this conch up and running. And yeah, let's go keep walking. Okay, we're piping it through the wall. It's feeding our molding line. So now it's dispensing, vibrating, and it's going to end up in our cooling tunnel soon. All right, Scott, I got you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Now it's going to enter the cooling tunnel. One mold every 12 seconds. So it'll spend about, every 36 seconds it'll rise up. And as the inside goes up, this side goes down. And after about 20 minutes, pops out the other side. You can see Scott here. He's doing a final inspection, making sure all the bars are tempered properly. You can see all the rejects over there that are going to get remelted. These are the molds that go back to the front of the line. And now we're going to go check out our flow wrapping operation. So we keep busting holes through walls. This is our newest one. Now we're flow wrapping. What's up? Okay, 20 grams, breakfast bars. We just got this guy rigged up so it's blowing air to blow all of the nibs that might be on top of the bar that might scratch it. Messy process. Let's try and... This room is our newest room. It is very full already. Okay, we got Chris at the other end, catching. And this is the finished product, breakfast bar minis. We don't have our line hooked up yet. Someday soon, I hope. And that's what's going on at the factory in the production area.
What is that machine?
That's a V2 cartoning machine that's going to be putting the exterior package around the cellulose packaged bar. So, yeah, that's what things look like right now. That's a production day in most of the steps at Manoa Chocolate.